Welcome. We're so glad you're taking the step toward better sleep. In this video, we'll talk you through how to use your NightOwl home sleep test. It's super simple, and I'll guide you every step of the way. Step 1. Download the app and activate. Start by downloading the NightOwl Companion app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Open it, create your account, and enter the activation code we sent you. This connects your device to your sleep doctor's care. Step 2. Pick your testing night. The best night to start testing is tonight. Don't stress over finding the perfect night's sleep. Simply choose a night that feels typical for you. Just follow your normal evening routine. If you usually take supplements, that's okay, but try to avoid caffeine or chocolate about 4 to 6 hours before bedtime. If you use a CPAP, please skip it for that test though. Step 3. Apply the sensor. Now let's set up the sensor. Take the NightOwl device and locate the blue side. That's the side that should face your skin. Place it on your left pointer finger. Use one of the white adhesive strips to gently wrap the sensor around your finger, snug but not too tight. Remember, the finger sensor is completely painless and you'll barely even notice it during the night. Step 4. Connect and start recording. When you're ready for bed, press the small button on the sensor until you see a red blinking light. Open the NightOwl app, whether for iOS, Android, depending on your device, and follow the prompts to pair your device. When it says connected, tap start recording and go to sleep as you normally would. Important though, keep your phone plugged in and within 6 feet of you while you sleep so Bluetooth is always connected. Step 5. Stop and upload in the morning. When you wake up, open the app again and tap stop recording. Your data will start uploading automatically. Just stay on that screen until you see the message that the upload is completed. That means you completed night 1. Great job. Step 6. Repeat the next night. Your sleep test includes 2 nights, so just repeat the exact same process the next evening. Why 2 nights? Well, multiple nights of testing leads to more accurate results for us. If we ever need more nights for a clearer picture, don't worry, we'll let you know by text or email. After testing, keep your sensor. Don't throw out your sensor. You may need it for treatment follow-ups. Keep it and your extra adhesive strips somewhere clean and dry. That's it. Simple, painless, and done from the comfort of your own bed. You've taken a big step toward better sleep and you should feel proud of yourself. If you have any questions, reach out to us at Sleeplay. We're always here to help. Just in case though, I've left a link below to download the app in the description. If you need any help, please call us at 1-844-451-6555. Thanks and sleep tight.